You want to know why Damascus is so damn expensive? I'm going to walk you through it. Here I'm tracing the outline of this knife so I can get it cut. Next, we're onto the horizontal grinder to work on the profile. Now I'm putting in the notch where the ricasso is going to be. Now we're lining up where the pinholes are so I can get those drilled in. Getting ready to set my holes. Drilling them in. Knocking off all that forge scale. Putting now on my layout fluid so I can get my bevels right. Marking my center line so I don't fuck this thing up. Grinding in the initial bevels onto the heat treat. So pulling this thing out at, I think, around 1900 degrees and into the oil quench. Now it's time for tempering so I don't snap this thing. It's too hard once you quench it, so now you gotta use a lower heat to draw it back. Now we're knocking off all that forge scale. Back to my layout fluid so I can mark my final bevels. Here I'm using my calipers to mark my bevels. Grinding in the bevels. Here's what the scales are going to look like. Went with a BJJ motif for this because it's going to a charity organization, Tap Cancer Out. Here's your coffee etch and into the hot oil to preserve the metal and get that coffee etch to stay. Here I am gluing up the handles. I've put epoxy on each pinhole as it goes through the hole so I get a good secure bond. And tighten it up with a C-clamp. Here it is, finished product. What you didn't see was all the prep work for the handles, all the damn hand sanding that goes into this. There's hours and hours and hours in this blade, and it turned out dope.